In this lecture, we will understand the fundamentals, one of the fundamental topics of Algebra 1, called addition and subtraction of polynomials. So the most important rule of adding and subtracting polynomials is that whenever you add or subtract whenever you add polynomials together, the variable part of the term must match. For example, 3y and 5y. They have the same terms, so we can add them. To add polynomials that have the same variable, we just add the coefficients, which is 3 and 5. So we get 8y. So we can another way to think of this, we can substitute the volume 3 for apples. So if we have 3 apples and 5 apples, we have apples and apples. If I have a basket of 3 apples in my hand and another basket with 5 apples in my hand, then we can simply add the apples. So we get 8 apples. However, if we try to add coefficient, add terms with different variables, then we cannot add them. For example, if I have three pizzas in my hand and 3 donuts in my hand, then I guess you could add to say how many total food you total, but it doesn't make sense because you have unlike terms. So you can say if you're adding them, you can say already simplified. Now that we know the basic idea, let's get into some problems. So we have, let's add negative 8t squared minus 4t squared. So let's check. Are they like terms? Yes, because they have the same term and the same exponent. So we can add the coefficients. Subtract them. Negative 8t minus 4, negative 8 minus 4 is negative 12. 12 what? T squared. So. And let's try another problem. 18x to the 5th y squared minus 11x to the 5th times y squared. Let's check. Are they like terms? Yes, because we have x to the fifth, y squared on each. So we can subtract the coefficients. 18 minus 11 is 7. 7 what? X to the fifth times y to the second. Let's try another problem. 3 RST plus 4 RST. Let's see. Do they have the same number? Same variables? Yes, we have RST on this side, we have RST on this. So we can just add the coefficients. 3 plus 4 is 7. Therefore, we get 7 RST. Now that we've gone through some basic problems, let's go through some problems that you might see in your workbook. The quantity 3x squared minus 3x minus 2 plus 3x squared plus 4x minus 3. The parentheses don't mean nothing, so they're multiplied by 1, and everything, and we know that everything times 1 is itself. So we get, eliminating the parentheses, so we get 3x squared minus 3x minus 2 plus 3x squared plus 4x minus 3. I see x squared and x squared, so we can add that. 3x squared plus 3x squared is 6x squared. Negative 3x plus 4x is just 1x, or x. And negative 2 plus negative 3 is negative 5. So our answer is 6x squared plus x minus 5. Let's try another one. 5x plus 4 minus negative 2x squared plus 3x minus 10. Now, so we've got to be careful here. And this is a minus here. And here's the 1. So we've multiplied everything here by negative 1. And we multiply by negative 1. We switch the sign of the number. So we get 2x squared minus 3x plus 10 and we have 5x plus 4. So, we have no x squared, so we leave the 2x squared. But we have 5x minus 3x. So and that is 2x. And 4 plus 10 is 14. So we have 2x squared plus 2x plus 14. And that concludes their addition and subtraction of polynomials. So it's all about taking it one step at a time. It's about taking that one step at a time and see where and the main idea I want you to get out of here is that whenever you add and subtract polynomials, the variable part must match. And in the next lecture, we will in the next lectures we will see how we can multiply and divide polynomials.